Honor, if you may, I just have two cases I'd like to go first, if that's okay with you.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. We have Mr. Ahmed here on behalf of Al Jala.
Okay.
And then it's going to be a dismissal. They did give me the police report number, and I'll let them recite on the record, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Fada Al Jahala. This is ticket number V501166. This is one count operate a self-service gas station without valid license. And then we have B ticket 501167. This is one count selling cigarettes without a valid license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. This is Attorney Musabi Ahmed, bar number P34663, appearing on behalf of Mr. Fuad Ajala, who is on Zoom. Mr. Ajala, please tell the judge your name.
You gotta unmute yourself for me. There we unmute yourself. There you go, sir.
Hi, Your Honor. Fuad Al-Jalal.
Okay. All right. How are we proceeding today?
Yes, Your Honor. As of now, the people and good afternoon, Matthew Rosenthal for the people, P84807. As of now, we are moving to dismiss these counts, Your Honor. They have filed a police report, and I have the police report number as well as the date it was filed. It looks to be an identity theft issue, and therefore we're dismissing both counts.
We have no objection, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. With that being said, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sorry about that, sir. But you're all set now, okay?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
No
you, Your
problem.
Honor.
Counsel, I hope you feel better, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor, very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right. Then you want to do Matthew R next?
Yes, correct, Your Honor, and we can go any way you want to.
All right. Mr. Attar, you're over there in the Wayne County. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much. I'm going to call your matters. Now calling the matters of the people versus Matthew Attar. This is ticket number 204405291. This is one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling 204405292. That's drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with the city attorney, please.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Matthew Rosenthal for the people, P84807.
And Attorney Fikens, are you on this matter or is it Attorney Hill?
I think it's Mr. Hill.
Okay, Attorney Hill, your name for the record, please.
Ryan Hill, P68445 on behalf of Mr. Attard. Mr. Attard, state your name for the record, please.
Matthew Attard.
How are we proceeding today?
Judge.
Yes. Go ahead, Attorney Hill. I'm sorry.
It's a pretrial. My client's going to plead to an amended charge of improper plates, credit for time served. That's a sentence agreement. Ask the court to adopt. We'll stipulate a probable cause.
All right. Is that how you want to move forward, Mr. Attar?
Yes, Your Honor.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney, Ryan Hill, about your case and about your rights?
I did, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that when you take this guilty plea, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in either one of these matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So reading from the plea to establish a factual basis, the ticket, I apologize, I said the plea, that on the date of, I want to draw your attention back to the date of November 16th of 2020. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Curtis and Murray Hill in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you not have a valid license at that time you were driving the car?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's right, counsel.
I am.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge. I have failed to display. Is that correct?
Your Honor, we're going to go with the improper plates on this.
All right, improper plates. At this point in time, the remaining ticket to be dismissed. Sir, it is my understanding that this is going to be time served. I'm going to do 3 days. I'm imagining you're going to be in there longer than 3 days. Am I correct, Mr. Attar?
Yes, Your Honor. I've been in here longer than that.
All right, I just want to make sure because I don't want to put something on here and then you get stuck in there. That's not the goal of this, okay? The goal is just to get it taken care of. All right, sir. So if there's nothing further, that does conclude this hearing. 3 days, time served. We'll close out these matters. Thank you, sir, and best of wishes to you, Mr. Attar, okay? Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Of course. All right, I see some other folks on the record. Do we have somebody else in the courtroom we need to
We
do?
do, Your Honor, and I'm just asking, Attorney Hill and Attorney Fikens, you guys want me to close out the breakout rooms? We want to leave them open?
Did y'all talk to everybody though? Because if you need more time, I understand.
No, we talked to everybody, Judge.
Oh,
We're ready to go.
fantastic. All right, well, bring them on in. Or how do you want to do it?
I'm not sure. I'm sorry.
It
I'm
looks
not
like,
sure who the gentleman is that just checked in.
Okay,
It's on the screen, Bruce.
so Mr. Brute, can we have your name, sir, with the red jersey on? What's your name? Unmute yourself and tell us.
Andre Abram.
Okay, Mr. Abram, you're a little late to court, so you're gonna wait now. You see all these wonderful people on my screen? I got a ton of them. Everyone else, please mute yourself until I call your matter. So I'm going to put you into what's called a waiting room, and then once we finish these people, we'll come to you and someone will talk to you, okay?
All right.
But you gotta be patient. Madam Clerk, would you mind putting him in the waiting room for me, please? All right, fantastic. You're welcome. All right. Amir Appling?
Hello, can you hear
Hello,
me?
I can. Can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Amir Appling Jr. This is ticket number P1360875. This is one count of reckless driving. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Robert Fikens, P31894 on behalf of Mr. Appling.
And Mr. Appling, can you state your name for the record, please?
Amir Appling.
All right. How are we going forward today?
Judge, I spoke with the prosecutor in this matter. Because the charge is a reckless driving charge, the recommendation that he should take a Michigan defensive driving class. My client does want to do that. I've given him some information about how to take that class. And so we're seeking a bench trial date today.
All right. All right. If so, can you please raise your right hand, Mr. Appling? The other right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Fikens about your case and about your rights?
yes,
And he's telling me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before a judge who will listen to the facts and make a decision. Is that right, sir?
correct,
All right, I'm going to set this for, I believe the date is December the 7th. Am I correct in the morning?
correct,
I'm going to
Yes,
set
Your
it for,
Honor.
all right, December the 7th at 8:35 in the morning, okay? So instead of this afternoon time, you're going to sign in the morning, okay, sir?
yes,
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. We'll see you back that day for your bench trial.
okay.
All right, have a good day, sir. All right. What about Ariel Andrew?
Ready, Your Honor.
Hello.
Hello. All right. Now calling the people first. Please mute yourself if you're not on. Thank you. Ariel Andre, this is ticket P1337293. This is one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number P1343875. One count, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Robert Fikens on behalf of Miss Andre. Ma'am, please state your name for the record. Miss Andre?
Ariel Andre. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. How are you proceeding,
Ariel
counsel?
Andre.
Thank
Judge, because she's shown compliance, there's a recommendation to dismiss these matters. We join in that recommendation, stipulate to probable cause.
All right. Because of that information, the court is going to grant your request. I will dismiss these matters without prejudice for valid docs or compliance. Ma'am, make sure you always keep everything up to date and valid so that you don't get any tickets, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I
Take
will.
care.
You too. Thank you so much. All right. Kevin Anderson.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kevin Lewis Anderson. This is ticket V128321. One count dog off property without leash. Also calling V ticket 128311. One count harboring an unlicensed dog. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Robert Fikens on behalf of Mr. Anderson. Mr. Anderson, please state your name for the record.
Kevin Anderson.
How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Judge, we because this is a dog licensure case and dog at large case, I believe the people need to speak with the animal control person before they make any recommendations. So we're seeking a bench trial date at this time.
All right. If that's how you want to move forward, Mr. Anderson, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before a judge at this court, 36th District Court. They'll listen to the facts of the case and make a decision. Is that how you want to move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm going to set this matter for the date of November the 28th at 20. That's this month, November 28th at 10:45 a.m. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Sir, it will be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Will I be receiving something in the mail for the date, or is that too soon a date? And
Typically you do, but I will write it down because you don't want to miss a court date. So even if people don't send stuff to you, you need to remember this. So if you need to get a pen, go get a pen and I'll repeat it.
okay, hold on one moment.
Okay. All right.
So it's November 28th at 10:45.
AM.
And will it be before you, or will it be before the other
It's gonna
judge?
be before this courtroom. So who's ever the judge sitting, it's typically Judge Holmes, but if she's sitting in
Okay.
the courtroom, she will take care of it that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So it's going to be same courtroom, 133?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Mr. Anderson. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you again, and have a good day.
You too. Mohammed Abu Ayubo.
Your Honor, I'm the interpreter for Mr. Ayub. Let me ask him to say his name. سيد أيوب افتح الصوت وقول اسمك للمحكمة.
ما سمعت.
قول اسمك للمحكمة.
محمد أيوب.
Muhammad Ayub.
Okay, I'm gonna call this matter now. What I'm going to do is call the case on the record. Then I'm going to swear you in, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mohammed Abu. This is ticket P1368442. One count failed to stop within a sure clear distance ahead. Also calling ticket number P1368444. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, fraudulent or false insurance information. Interpreter, can you please raise your right hand for me? Sir, can you state your name for the record?
Sure, Your Honor. My name is Yosef Hermes, qualified court interpreter in the Arabic language.
And sir, do you promise or affirm to translate the English to Arabic and the Arabic to English language to the best of your abilities?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Please tell them what's just been called for the moment.
Sure. Okay. نادت القضية أنه الشعب ضد السيد محمد أيوب، وعطت رقم القضية SP 1368441. أنت فشلت في التوقف في المكان المحدد وعملت حادث سيارة، ما توقفت في وقت مناسب، وعندك مخالفتين أخرى مشان الصفيحة وأنه مشان التأمين.
Okay.
All right, can I have the appearance of the attorney for the record, please?
Ryan Hill on behalf of the defendant.
قالت مين هو المحامي اللي يمثل السيد أيوب؟ قال هو راين هو المحامي اللي يدافع عنك اليوم.
Misdemeanors being dismissed.
الجنح الموجهة ضده حنسقطها ونلغيها.
Pleading to amended charge blockading traffic.
ويقول أنا مسؤول على التهمة المخفضة اللي هي كان يعيق السير من دون نقاط.
Stipulate the probable cause.
وأنا أشترط أنه كان له سبب معقول أنه عطوا له هذه المخالفة.
And Mr. Abu, can you state your name for the record, please?
سيد أيوب ممكن تقول اسمك مرة أخرى للمحكمة؟
محمد أيوب.
محمد أيوب.
And do you wish to go with this arrangement today, sir?
أنت بتحب توافق على هذا العرض اللي قدموا لك إياه من المحكمة؟
Okay.
Yes, okay.
All right. Reading from the ticket that on the date of June the 29th, 2022, in the area of East Warren and Piedmont Streets in the city of Detroit.
أنا كنت أقرأ من تاريخ يوم 29/6/2022 في شارع وورن وبيدمونت في مدينة ديترويت.
Mr. Abu was driving a Ford vehicle and did block traffic.
وأنت كنت تسوق سيارة 1999 فورد وأنت عملت عرقلة للسير صح؟
أوكي.
Yes. لا بتقول نعم ولا مش أوكي؟ نعم.
نعم. نعم.
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
أنت راضي السيد المحامي؟ قال نعم أنا راضي ومكتفي بهذا الكلام.
And stipulation for probable cause on remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes.
وإحنا تشترط أنه كانوا له سبب معقول أنه عطوا له المخالفة بهذه الموضوع؟ قال نعم.
All right. At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of responsible to the amended charge of blockading.
المحكمة حتقول جواب بالنيابة عنك أنك مسؤول على التهمة المخفضة اللي هي إعاقة وعرقلة السير.
And dismiss the remaining counts called on the record.
وتسقط وتلغي بقية الجنح الموجهة ضدك في هذا الوقت.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Abiyu, the fine is $175. You typically have 14 days to pay that.
الغرامة هي $175 اعتياديا بيعطوا لك 14 يوم لحتى تدفع هذا المبلغ.
Okay.
Is that enough time?
هل هذا وقت كافي لحتى تدفع الغرامة 14 يوم؟
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to have it due. Tell them it's due on November 16, 2022.
لازم قبل 16 يوم 11 شهر 11 بتدفع هذه الغرامة. يوم 16/11 في هذا الشهر 22 سنة 22 بتدفع هاي الغرامة. Okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. إذا ما في أي شيء آخر انتهت هذه الجلسة وأنت انتهيت. الله معك.
Okay. شكرا لكم. شكرا.
Thank you all.
Okay. You're welcome. Tell him he's welcome.
Thank you,
أنت
Your Honor.
أهلا وسهلا فيك. Have a good day, Judge.
You too. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right. Shirley Anderson. Sherry, I apologize. It's just Sherry. Sherry Anderson.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sherry Yvette Anderson. This is ticket 2272999901. Oh, you got a lot of background. What's going on?
I'm sorry, I'm at work. I'm in the bathroom. I ran in the bathroom. I'm at work.
Okay. 2272999901. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
You're muted, Attorney Fikens. Try now.
I'm sorry. Robert Fikens on behalf of Miss Anderson. Ma'am, please state your name for the record. I believe she's muted now.
It's Sherry Yvette Anderson.
Thank you.
All right, how are we proceeding today, attorney?
Judge, because she's shown compliance with on this ticket, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We join in that recommendation and stipulate the probable cause.
All right. With that being said, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice because of your compliance. Ma'am, please make sure you always keep everything up to date and valid and in your vehicle, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, ma'am. You can get back to work.
Okay, thank you. You have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor.
Bye-bye. Sean Anton,
Antoine.
it is
Yeah.
Antoine, okay.
Oh, God, I'm trying to turn this off.
Okay, we're trying to help you. Can you go ahead and get her out the courtroom so she can help?
Wait, I'm trying to get this off.
I know, but can you get her out the courtroom for me,
Okay.
please? Now calling the matter of the people versus Sean Anton. Mr. Anton, you gotta stop laughing so I can call the case.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Sean Anton. This is ticket number P1362994. Count 1, failed to stop upon request. Count 2, reckless driving. Count 3, failed to display a valid license, operator's license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Robert Fikens on behalf of Mr. Antoine. Sirs, please state your name for the record.
Sean Antoine.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, you did take the Michigan Defensive Driving class, and I applaud him for that. The city has indicated that they want to speak with the police officer to determine a proper recommendation. So at this point in time, Judge, we are seeking a bench trial date.
All right. Is that right, sir? Mr.
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand.
Oh, okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That may not necessarily be before me. It's probably before a different judge, but at this same courthouse, okay?
Okay. Yes, I understand.
All right, if that's the case, we're going to set it for a bench trial on. Hold on a minute. Okay, November the 28th, okay?
Okay.
It's gonna be at 10:45 in the morning though, 10:45 a.m., okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal and we'll see you that day, okay, sir?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
I will, thank you.
Yeah. All right. How do I get off this thing? I'm like her. Okay. Okay, I see it.
You see it? All right, fantastic. All kinds of issues this morning. Damian Arrington.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Damian DeLon Arrington. This is ticket 745333. This is one count drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number 745349. This is one count refused PBT. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Robert Fikens on behalf of Mr. Arrington. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Damon Arrington.
How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Judge, there's a recommendation that if he pleads guilty on the driving while license suspended, the court would consider reducing that charge to fail to display and dismissing the other matter.
Is that how you want to proceed today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to take you to the date of May the 20th of 2022. Were you driving a Jeep vehicle in the area of Avery and Forest Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied, as well as their stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed. Oh, that's a civil infraction. I'll just dismiss that.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome. So the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge, failed to display a valid operator's license. I'm going to dismiss the civil infraction that was today.
Thank you,
Sir,
Judge.
you're
Yes.
welcome. My fine is $200.
Okay.
How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
All right, I'm going to have it due no later than December 1st. Yep, December 2nd, I'm sorry. December 2nd, 2022, okay?
Okay.
All right, well, I don't know why you refused, but I'm hoping it wasn't for a bad reason, Mr. Arrington, but it's been
No,
dismissed.
I really didn't actually refuse. The thing was broke, so they had to give me the refused ticket to take me to the hospital to get the blood.
Oh, fantastic, thank you for clarification. I was a little salty about that, but all right, you're all set, sir, okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. All right. Ooh, got all these tickets. Got no more light ones. Trying to get some folks out of here before I do the heavy ones. Brandon Alexander.
All right here. How you
Okay.
doing?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Great.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Brandon Cortez Alexander. This is ticket number P13-28089. Count 1, careless driving. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number P13-28093. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Alexander. Mr. Alexander, state your name, please.
Brandon Alexander.
Judge, we're going to set it for a bench trial, not a jury trial. Is that correct, Mr. Alexander?
That's correct.
All right. If so, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Oh, yes, I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before a judge as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this for the date of November 28th. That's going to be at 10:45 a.m. So instead of this PM time, you're going to come in the morning, okay?
Yeah, you said 10:45.
Yes, sir. November 28th, okay?
Got it.
Want to set your bond at $0 personal, and we'll see you then, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. David Atkins.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus David Roy Atkins. This is ticket P12972203. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket P1297205. One count, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Atkins, state your name, sir.
David Roy Atkins.
Judge, there's a recommendation for dismissal. My client's in compliance, provided documentation, ask the court to adopt, will stipulate the probable cause.
All right. At this time, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice for compliance. Sir, make sure you keep everything valid and up to date, or else you'll just get new tickets, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
I will. All right. Aldridge William. Or is that William Aldridge? Which way is it? William Aldridge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, you had your camera on earlier. Do you think you can?
I know this. I'm starting it back up now.
Okay, there we go. Thank you so much. Now let me ask this. Are the defaulted tickets a part of the plea, Mr. Rosenthal?
Your Honor, I believe, are we just setting this for bench trial?
No, he's going to take advantage of it. He's dismissing 10. He's pleading to 4, I think.
Oh, then that is, yes, Your Honor. I don't believe that any defaults would be actually in that plea.
got going on, Mr.? You got a lot of noise behind you, Mr. Aldridge.
Oh, let me close my door. I stay on a busy street. How's that?
Sounds much better. Thank you so much.
And so I'll probably just leave those in default, Your Honor. Just deal with the ones we have on the docket today.
It's an offer in here. I think it might include them. Let me see.
If it includes it, Your Honor, then we can. I would just adopt the offer that I wrote.
Can't tell. He has so many tickets. Hold on.
Sorry, you want the offer?
I have offer. I just want to make sure I don't read tickets that aren't a part of the offer into the record.
And I have it as well, Your Honor. And I can read.
Look.
Ask about the one that they already took.
I'm gonna mute him just temporarily.
I understand. Yeah, it's a lot of noise and action going on. I think it's just these. So I'm gonna go with these. I'm gonna leave the ones that were over on the side in default. I think.
Attorney Hill, I had 5. He was pleading to 5.
Sounds good.
All right, just making sure.
It's one misdemeanor on this ticket, so I'm gonna pull it out and just highlight that it's a misdemeanor. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus William Tyrone Aldridge. This is ticket P12. Sir, you're gonna have to stay on mute until I finish because you got a whole in your background, okay? Just stay on mute until I finish calling everything. Ticket number P1211792. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number P1207808. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket number P1300433. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1300432. This is 1 count expired plates. Count 2, defective bumper, fender, or windshield. Count 3, defective or missing equipment. Ticket number P1200286. 1 count, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Also calling in warrant status, ticket number, case number 174210362. 1 count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 174210361, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 173350632, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number 173350631, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Aldridge, William Aldridge. Mr. Aldridge, state your name. Take yourself off mute and state your name, please.
William Tyrone Aldridge.
Judge, that is amazing. Judge, this is what I'm asking the court to consider. We'll do a no contest plea simply for lack of memory. I don't want him to mess up the factual basis. He has so many tickets. We'll stipulate to the facts as they appear on the ticket. We'll also stipulate to the facts as they appear on the civil infractions for the responsible pleas, if the court would allow us. Any objection, Matt?
No objection.
Okay.
All right. With that being said, the court will allow that to take place. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Hill about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you would like to take a no contest plea today. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in order for you to take this no contest plea today?
No.
Are you pleading of your, are you taking this plea, no contest plea of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you taking this now, it's a no contest plea. So what that means is that even though you're not going to make any statements on the record today, it's going to be considered a guilty plea for all purposes. You understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
And with this plea, you're going to give us the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial. You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
With that being said, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
All right. Okay, put yourself on mute.
I got it.
Thank you so much. Reading from the tickets to establish a factual basis. that on the date of June 9th, 2021, in the area of Burt Road and Schoolcraft in the city of Detroit, Mr. Aldridge was driving a Ford vehicle and did not have a driver's license. It had never been acquired. Also reading from the ticket on the date of January 14th, 2022, in the area of Larned and Rivard in the city of Detroit, Mr. Aldridge was driving a Ford vehicle that had expired plates, defective bumper, windshield, or fender, and defective or missing equipment. Also, on the date of June 1st, 2021, in the area of Pearson and West McNichols in the city of Detroit, Mr. Aldridge was driving a Ford vehicle that had improper plates. Satisfied, Attorney Hill?
Satisfied.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to improper plates, a plea to driver's license never acquired, and 3 responsible pleas: expired plates, defective bumper fender, and defective equipment or missing equipment. Okay. Can you, I know it's not your courtroom. Could you tell me what the prices are on all those? Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, y'all. So Mr. Aldridge, on the 3 civil infractions, one is 145 and the other 2 are both 120. So that's 385. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay them. Unmute yourself and tell me if that's going to be enough time. Unmute yourself. We muted you. Unmute yourself.
Can you hear me now?
Yep. Is that good?
I'm like on a fixed income, and
driving, Mr. You keep driving.
I know I haven't. I understand.
Driving, so even though you're on a fixed income, so I can give you more time. How much time?
Can I pay? Can I pay in like increments?
Yes. How much time do you need, sir?
30 days, just 30 days, if I can.
Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Well, that's gonna be more than enough time because I get paid every beginning of the month. So next month is free, so I'm gonna try to pay it all up at once.
Okay. So I'm gonna make it due no later than December the 2nd, 2022 for those tickets. Okay.
Okay.
You have 2 other tickets. They dismissed quite a few tickets today. Well, you know what? You have some tickets in default, don't you? Mr. Rosenthal, everything wasn't on there, was it?
Absolutely. I think most of it was, but I believe there's probably some stuff in default, Your Honor, as well.
So here's what I'm going to do for you today, Mr. Aldridge. You listening?
Yes, ma'am.
The other 2 tickets, I'm going to waive the cost and fines because you still have some tickets out there that you need to pay. But
okay.
They're in default. That means that you didn't show up to a court date, but they're just sitting out there and you're going to have to pay those tickets. So I'm going to charge you this $385 today.
$385, baby.
Okay. Now you may have some reinstatement fees. That's above and beyond this cost. I'm letting you know right now, so you're not surprised when you see $45. That's due to the Secretary of State's office, but you pay it at 36th District Court. Okay.
I want my license, so it don't matter.
So take care of this stuff so that you can be able to get your license back. Okay.
So where do I pay the $385? Do I go down 36th District?
You can either go on our website at 36districtcourt.org or you can physically come down to the court to pay for it.
Oh, I'll do that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Find your balance sheet when you come down here so you can know how much money you owe for the rest of the tickets too, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
I will, thank you. And last but not least, Mr. Jonathan Arnold.
Get off now. Yes.
All right. All right, so I see tickets are in a rubber band. Do I not worry about those? Anybody?
Depends, Your Honor. Let me check.
I think I have them.
Mr. Arnold, It looks like all we have, Your Honor. I mean, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases.
Six.
And
That's
I
the-
believe that this is going to be just set for a bench trial, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, and I think that I have all the 6 cases. They're just, okay, I think we're good. I'm gonna leave this rubber band alone. I just think those were like preprints. Okay.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jonathan Arnold. This is ticket P903974. 1 count driver's license never acquired. Ticket number X3538434. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, no operator's license, multiple operators license. Ticket number P11030404. 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 1736230. Count 1, no operator's license on person. And ticket number 173072851. 1 count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Arnold. Mr. Arnold, state your name, please.
Jonathan Arnold.
Judge, my client's going to continue as not guilty, please, requesting a bench trial, not a jury. Is that right, Mr. Arnold?
Yes, sir.
All right, if that's the case, sir, can you please, I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding. A lot of noise in the background.
Excuse me.
Place real quick.
I'm sorry, that was my nephew in their living room.
It's okay. All right. So, and it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before a judge as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of November 28th, sir. That's going to be at 10:45 a.m. So instead of this afternoon time, you're going to come in the morning time. Okay. 10:45 a.m.
Okay. So I got to come inside?
No. I meant in the Zoom hearing. I apologize.
Okay.
Via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed on today, zoom in that day. I'll set your bond at $0 personal unless you posted bond. I'll keep those at the bond post because it looks like you may have posted a bond on a couple of them. I'll keep those how they are. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. On the rest of the tickets, though, I will set it at $0 personal. We'll keep the bond intact for the ones that you have bonds on. Okay.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back November, or you'll be back in this courtroom on November the 28th at 10:45 a.m. Okay, sir?
Okay. Under the same name and stuff too?
Yes, under the same name and everything. It's going to be Judge Holmes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're welcome. You have a good day. Okay.
You too.
I will. Thank you.
And then, Your Honor, we do have one other individual that's in the waiting room. He does need to speak with one of the attorneys. However, he is going to be pushed out to a bench trial. There's nothing I can do for him today with the offer given the charges.
Okay.
We understand, and I'll
We'll
be
bring
happy.
him in and then take care of that. And I'll just be sitting here waiting. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. I admitted him now.
All right. All right, sir. Sorry, we just finished the stack of people. So now they're going to talk to you about your options for today. Okay.
Okay.
All right. If we could put them into a break.
We'd have to open the rooms. I'm going to open them all right now.
Whatever you need to do. I just didn't want you to open it and everybody go back in.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you're That is what happened. We're good, Your Honor. We're all good. I'm gonna assign him to breakout room 1 with Attorney Fikens, and if Attorney Hill wants to go there as well, he can.
All right. Go ahead and join that room when they send you there, okay, sir? To break out.
And you should have gotten the prompt, sir.
What'd you say?
You should have got the prompt, but I'll send it to you again. I'll put you in 3, and then I'll send you one to Attorney Fikens.
Thank you. I have one to go to room 3.
Now he's in 1, so just go to 1.
He's back here. Musical chairs.
Yeah. Mr. Do you see or person identified as Brick? Can you hit that prompt to go to breakout room 3, please? Did you get it, sir? Mr. AM, do you
Yeah.
get that prompt, and then you'll be able to speak with Attorney Fikens.
Hey, hold on one second. Hit will he hit my name?
Yeah, it's your name.
Judge, is that hey, Matt, is that the last person?
Oh,
that is the last person, Attorney Hill. Thank you as always on my part. I appreciate you.
Judge, may I leave if Rob's got this? I got a 3 o'clock Zoom with a client. Is that okay if Rob, do you have it?
Yeah, I have this guy. I just can't meet with him though because he's not.
No. He's
Okay,
not.
I'm out. See you guys.
Bye. Have a good day, Attorney Hill. Try again, Mr. Abram. You see the breakout room 1? Do you see that prompt?
Yeah, say join. Yeah.
Yeah, join that prompt now, and then Attorney Fikens will be with you shortly. Thank you. He's in there, Attorney Fikens.
He's in 1?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
And thank you, Taylor. We appreciate you today.
I told them that y'all batted your eyes at me, and that's why I decided to stay and do this for you. I told them, I said, y'all batted your eyes.
Nah, we wouldn't do that. We wouldn't do that to you, trust me. And it's 3 o'clock. We're looking good. I'm happy.
We're looking real good. So I'm not mad. I'm just sitting here biding my time.
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you. We'll get this one rolling and then back to it tomorrow, huh?
You made great times. We're fine.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Judge.
Of course.
Should I stop the live, Your Honor?
What'd you say?
Should I stop the live stream?
We do have one case that's going to be
One
called.
case left. Just leave it on for right now. We'll be all right. That way you don't have to stop and start. So just leave it there.
I'm
Okay, thank
going
you.
to come down right now, Don.
Okay.
Mr. Delmont is the attorney. How do we call him?
No, Hussein Al-Mansur. No. Yep.
Jesus Abaka.
No.
Sure.
No. And it's Officer Deluxe. And Johnny Adams did not show. Abraham L. Hannick did not show.
And Madam Clerk, y'all on right now. Just mute yourself.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
We're ready, Your Honor. We're ready, Miss Lurst.
Thank you. Judge will be with us in just a moment.
Ms. Don, do you have that file? Can you call it for me? Because he signed in. So I don't have that file. Can you call it?
Yes, Your Honor. I emailed you the ticket so you could write on it, but.
Oh, Faith, no. If you did that, no. Just hold on. I see. Okay.
Good.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Andre Abram. This is ticket number P1298482. Count 1, failed to yield to moving emergency vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, interference with a city employee. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Robert Fikens, P31894, on behalf of Mr. Abrams. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Andre Abram.
Counsel, I think, counsel for the people, did you want to state your name for the record, or how are we proceeding?
Yes, Your Honor. Matthew Rosenthal for the people, P84807. At this time, we do need to speak with the officer that did issue the tickets. I'm not sure if the defense is going to be asking for a bench or a jury trial or another pretrial date, but we do need to speak with the officers before making any clear recommendation.
All right,
So,
thank you.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Go ahead, counsel.
Given that information, Your Honor, we would ask for a bench trial date at this time.
All right. Sir, could you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights? That's Attorney Fikens in the room. Did you talk to him?
Yeah.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of November the 28th. That's going to be in the morning this time, though, at 10:45 a.m., okay? Instead of this afternoon, so you need to write this down.
10:45 on the 28th.
Yes, okay?
133.
And courtroom 133, okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
All right, thanks.
All right, see you then.
See
Have a
you.
good day.
You too, babe. I mean, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
All
All right.
right.
Have a good day, sir.
You too.